How to fix if your Outlook not updating emails without restart. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you what is the simple method you need to follow if your Outlook need to restart to update your emails for receiving emails. So let's start with the video, guys. Before starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. So first I suggest you just go to the Outlook, go to the file, go to the office account, and try to update your Outlook. Okay, if you just update your Outlook and just check that your whether your Outlook receiving the emails without restart it. So another method is go to the your Windows search bar, tab here services, open it. Under the services you have to just navigate your cursor to Google Updates. Okay, so here you can see there is a two services, Google Updates, Google Update Services date, and Google Services gov date. Okay, just double click on, and you have to startup type, just you have to disable it and click OK. So it is nothing about, it is nothing, it is just like it is disabling your startup type. Okay, so Google Updates like keep your Google software up to date. It is like disconnect, stop the auto updating, just disable it and OK. Here also you can disable second and OK. Now just restart your Outlook and check it, or you can restart your computer and check your Outlook. It is definitely solve your problem. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.